one more interesting session of English literature. How many of you like to draw? Do you like to paint? Do you like to dance? What do you think you are good at? Discuss the same with your parents. Today, we are going to know about a boy named Rishi who loved to draw in the story The Sweet Sound of Success of Class 6. The story begins with a clap which Mrs. Rajan asked the children for telling a lovely story by Ali. Later, they began to discuss on school day that is going to happen. They discussed on dances, songs, plays, etc. which they can present in the school day. But Rishi was engaged drawing pictures in his book. Later, the class teacher of 6C, Mrs. Rajan, who was easily identified by her large smile and her short hair sticking to her chin. She found that Rishi was not listening in the class and asked him to meet her after the class. When all children grabbed their bags and went away, Rishi felt that he would be scolded and his parents will be called. But Mrs. Rajan did not scold Rishi for doodling in class. Instead, Mrs. Rajan added that his doodling showed talent and offered him the chance to use his talent in drawing scenery, artwork for the school day. This made Rishi feel appreciated. Though Rishi made a wonderful scenery, his heart was thumping when Mrs. Rajan came to inspect the scenery for the play because he was anxious that she might not like what he had made. He thought she might find it silly or might not like the way he had made her in the painting. But to his surprise, Mrs. Rajan loved it and told Rishi that it was a wonderful piece of work. He was happy to hear the sweet sound of success. So now children, I think you all might be excited to move on to the quiz session based on this summary. What was Ali good at? 5 seconds. Please write your answers in comment box fast. Yes, the right answer? Storytelling. Second question for you all. Rishi did not clap for Ali. Why? Because he was busy drawing a picture. Third question for you all. Mrs. Rajan was the class teacher of which class? Yes, you're right. Class 6C. What was Mrs. Rajan discussing about in the class? Yes, she was discussing about the school day. Who asked the children to clap for Ali? Yeah, right. It was Mrs. Rajan. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please go through the chapter in your textbook and wait for my next interesting video. Till then, bye children.